Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate document management with DocuSign, full guide step by step clearly. To automate document management with DocuSign, start by creating a DocuSign account if you haven't done so already. Visit the DocuSign website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter the required information and complete the account setup process. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Look for the Templates section on the left side of the screen. Click on Create Template to begin setting up your automated document management process. Upload the document you want to automate by clicking the Upload button. After uploading, name your template and provide a description for easy identification. Next, add the necessary signers by clicking on the Add Recipients button. Specify their roles, such as signer or approver, and add email addresses accordingly. Once the recipients are added, configure the signing order if necessary. Now, customize the document by adding fields for text, initials, checkboxes, or signatures. Drag and drop the fields onto the document where you want the recipients to interact. Make sure to set up any required fields to ensure completion. Once your template is set up, save it for future use. To automate sending documents, return to the main dashboard and select Send an Envelope. Choose your newly created template from the list. Review the recipient details and make any necessary adjustments. Click on Send to initiate the document workflow. DocuSign will automatically notify recipients via email when it's time to sign. Track the status of your documents directly from the dashboard. Access completed documents from the Manage section for archiving and record keeping. Utilize DocuSign's advanced features, like bulk sending or integration with other applications, to streamline your process further. Explore automation tools within DocuSign for additional efficiencies, such as webhook notifications or API integration. Regularly review your templates and workflows to ensure they continue to meet your needs. By following these steps, you can effectively automate your document management with DocuSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.